Today I'd like to discuss filtering and the effects of filtering on your bit error rate. We are going to start out by doing a very brief review of filters, very basic filtering concepts, and then we're going to build up to the issue of intersymbol interference, and in particular intersymbol interference that arises due to filtering and bandwidth issues. And following that, we'll be talking about how we can use pulse shaping to overcome some of these deficiencies. The motivation behind this section of the course today is to explain why we use pulse shaping and how it's good for dense wavelength packing. After we've gotten through that discussion, we'll talk briefly about how you would simulate these filters, and especially the noise in the presence of these filters. But it is some simulation methods, very standard, but we'll just formalize them a little. And then I want to talk about Monte Carlo techniques, about how we run a Monte Carlo simulation and how we can judge how well our Monte Carlo simulation is doing. I'm going to add a new paper to the website this afternoon, which discusses these Monte Carlo techniques, an old classic paper. And then the last topic today is going to be a paper by Windsor, which is very much in the same spirit of the homework problem that you'll be doing. He examines these filtering effects, and he explains the simulation method he used, and you'll see that your simulator you'll be using for the homework could be used to recreate the results in this paper. They're very similar, and so it's a very good example of how we can turn to numerical simulation to answer some questions for us.